how to hide WhatsApp sender name from iPhone notification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the sender name from your notification that you receive from WhatsApp. So let's dive right in. You need to head over to your settings first, and then you'll need to scroll down and go to notifications. And then once you're there, scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Uh, Once you find WhatsApp, just go ahead and tap on it. And you can see show previews option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here you need to set it to when unlocked. So now the sender's name will be hidden until you unlock your iPhone. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.